Welcome back, guys. Crypto channel. Today I would like to show you just the local updates for ICP. What's going on now? Let's dive in. Right, guys. Million times I should be honest. Around here, around even on that bounce, I thought, oh, maybe I will never see the ICP again at $4.50 or $4.60. And we come back, and it's kind of scary because the BTC dominance now can a little bit bounce. Now it's 58%, 30. And if the BTC dominance will go higher, so after the Fed decision, it's not always about a chart, guys. It's about a logic and the forecast. What can happen? Just I share my idea. Not everything, give us the full picture when we look at on the chart. Because the macro, the Trump, the news in the world, the geopolitics, the decision about the rate, even the China, the relationship between the India, United States, Russia, everything now so complicated and works in a complex because institutional join in the market. And sometimes I better will wait in the sideline and skip the some entry, then just hop in now, just pray, oh, we should go higher from now. If we go from now, I will be happy, for everybody who hop into ICP. But I repeat again, if the BTC dominance will go after the FOM's decision about the rates higher, it means the liquidity will inflow once again into BTC. Also, I don't like we get 7 days in a row. Imagine 1 week, 7 days in a row, the money inflow into BTC ETF. It looks like everything priced it in before the FOM's decision. That's why I won't believe, we will drop to $3.48 to the buy line on ICP on the daily, because if we will, it's going to be just pretty hard drop. From now, it can be like a 26% drop. I hope we will not see this one. I marked this level like a main support level, and we tested several times. And the problem is people think if we hold a line long-term periods, because here we are in that range since April 25, it means this level so strong. No, it become weaker because the logic is we got some level, liquidity pool, we drop, buyers, buy, bounce, seller pressure, buy again, seller pressure, buy again, seller pressure, buy again. One day, there will be no buyers because we see the seller pressure down. I don't know who exactly sell the ICP. I can imagine, for example, on a BTC. The dermat wallets now waking up, the old holders, long-term holders, everybody in profit now. Why we see the seller pressure on ICP? I have no idea. We are $2 from all-time low again. Let's say $3 from all-time low, historical one. Why we see the crazy seller pressure? And also, what is kind of weird, the altcoins index was at 78 points. The same like in May 21. Monthly, and nothing. Just some few tokens pump it, Bake pump it, the token which delisted from the Binance pump it 500%. So Hi-Fi, SLF pump it. So a lot of random meme coins, pump it on the max, and nothing. Token pump a pretty good one, right? And I don't know why the old tokens, the main one player like middle cap, the previous top gainers, top performer like Polkadot, Algorand, ICP, Atom, just Matic, stay on almost at this historical all-time low. It's kind of scary. That's why, guys, my targets still relevant. I will be happy, just to be honest, I will be happy if I will buy the ICP at $3.47, 46. Yes, on the spot. Here's a level of lowest historical all-time low. I hope we will not drop that low. 12 time frame is buy line 342. I hope we will not drop to that levels. Now we're just in the middle, and I skip this type of trades. If this is the range what I market, March 25, and Here's a top, for example, low April 75, and we just consolidate in the range. More than okay also to see this sweep, that deviation at the bottom. $4 maybe I will start buy with 2 limit orders. So let's mark it like 4.10. I don't think so. They will give us the $4 if we will drop now. $4.10, I will be ready to buy. So for example, I build my own plan and I share with you. For example, 4.10 I buy in here, equal amount of money. So for example, 1K here and 1K here. My average entry will be $3.80. So at $7 at take profit or exit line, I will withdraw my initial deposit. And after that, I will write to the main targets. And no makes sense to repeat again the my targets for ICP. I shared a million times in the previous video. So I hope this is just a range and we need to see just a deviation at the bottom. I hope we'll not drop to the buy line $3.48, 34, 36, for example. Let's check the ADZ direction market mode. And this is accumulation bounce, this is accumulation, some tiny bounce. We just in the middle. No accumulation on the daily. 12 time frame, also no accumulation yet. That's kind of scary, guys. That's kind of scary, you know, because this liquidity pool looks more attractive than pump from now. And you know, it's kind of weird because you know, that FOM's decision, price it in on many altcoins. A lot of people here expect something, you know, 17 days. And I'm better wait. And I hope, of course, the October or November, at least we will see the main movement on the alts and the major alts, like that, at least what I just mentioned recently. So the plan, I explained it to you in the ADZ, nothing direction, no bullish signal, no even divergences, nothing. Only what is good on the daily, we're in capitulation. It's good, so it's more bullish than bearish. This is a nice one. Weekly, so oversold. By my personal opinion, it's so oversold. So all this same period, we're just in accumulation. And if we check the dates, where that date? Here, dates and the price range. So for example, we approximately 34% range and over than 175 days. Imagine half year just ICP consolidating the just range. This market's so boring now, guys. That's why for me personally, it would be good to see this sweep. If we not see that sweep, I will be happy to skip the ICP. So just to be honest, I'm not an ICP fan. I'm not an ICP in ICP army. For bullish targets, local one, here's the next step. I mentioned it's come back to the weekly Fibonacci gap test, and after that 1557, 2098. So if we zoom out, anyway, guys, we can't. Yes, we can all the time. I say the same mistake. We can go down. Of course, it's possible, but we get an impulse correction. Now it's consolidation, because now it's a seasonality, because the altcoin is so oversold over than 5 years. I don't think so. This is a distribution. I think this is accumulation to bounce at least to this block, form 1, 2, 3, maybe some correction and go higher. So this is a case. It's possible, so we will not go with the corrections. So I hope this is just consolidation and something like this one. You can open the chart of chain link. I will show you now how it looks like, but the link already performed. So here, this was a long time period of consolidation. After that, we bounce, retest it, and go higher. I hope something similar we will see on ICP. Of course, it would be so good to see, but I'm not sure. Guys, now about ICP. Exactly now, I would like to see this sweep. Under, if we zoom out also, here's a monthly gap. This 1 monthly gap market the price like 424. I'm not analyzing, guys, some fundamentals, some partnership and all of this stuff. It's absolutely not drive the price on a chart. Under is another gap. It's 338, 372. If we'll drop to under $3, under $4, it will be just like a gift, because on the monthly we so oversold. I think no makes sense to panic now. If you hold the ICP, just hold it, because the people so often ask, should I hold it or not? Bro, you just should follow your plan. You got a plan for ICP, but a realistic plan, and follow your plan. So this is accumulation. Was the last time only in February 2025 at $6.55. Now, no accumulation. That's why would be logical to see one more sweep, to see some money inflow on a weekly, and the average entry of some big guys will be around $5. With a $5 like round number, it would be logical to pump the price to $10. They withdraw initial deposit, some seller pressure, we start building a new structure and go higher. That's why there is no FIB. If someone want to ask what is the FIB level, guys, basically there is no levels. This is just an impulse, and we just in consolidation. Nothing special. No money inflow in on a daily time frame. 12 time frame. Some money inflow was here at 461, but it doesn't mean this is some crazy accumulation by whales. No, not yet. Trade on, guys, the last indicator. Sell. Even on 12 time frame, sell last one. And Joule daily, sell, only buybacks. No signal to buy, guys. One was here. It was just tiny bounce to recommendation close position. Weekly main buys was here. There's take profit, sell. Now, guys, I hope this is a situation absolutely identical like with a link, and we just in a consolidation with continuation higher to the 15 and 20 dollar per ICP. I'm just wait. Even if we go to the 4 hour time frame, guys, this one, we not sweep this low. If we mark it here, horizontal line. So it's kind of weird. Guys. Yes, for me personally, the 465, 458, and even lower looks more logical than absolute move from now, no matter what the firms will post, they will calculate or not. So guys, I build my plan, I follow my plan, and I explain you my idea. You should build your own plan. Don't be scary to skip some tokens, because the people too much fall in love in some tokens and just wait, and all the time they lose the money. A lot of people just hop into recently near at $2.80, $2.90, now to near $2.70. Just no rush. Guys, I hope you like this video. Write us in the comment what you think about ICP. If you like to trade with my custom indicator I would show in this video, just write me a DM. Don't forget your Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.